Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to know who visited my Snapchat account. So let's get right into the video. Once you're logged in into your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji. And if you scroll down, you will see an option, My Public Profile. And if your profile is already made public, so you can avail some options and head over to it, and you can see there are some options that you will avail by Snapchat by making your account from personal to public, and those are show off your best snaps, choose a profile and cover photo. You can grow your audience and you can get deeper insights. And by deeper insights, Snapchat means they will allow you to see who have visited your Snapchat profile, who likes your story, who have seen your story or screenshotted it, and each and every details. So all you need to do is to make your Snapchat account public, or yeah, that's it. And that will allow you to get to know who visited your Snapchat account and some more insights too. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.